Look at the waves. Good morning, Harry. How are you?
Good morning, guys.
Where are we?
We are in ACILAH, and today we're going to take you to the bike shop.
Yes. Okay, guys. Well, as Harry just told you, we're still in ACILAH. We've decided to hang around for another night because I feel like this ACILAH, to me, is hugely unrecognized. I think doesn't get the credit it deserves. It's a beautiful little town. I mean, look just outside our door. Look at these little offshore peelers. So today we are going down to see our good friend at the bike shop. We took our bikes up there yesterday to get a couple of punctures fixed. 2 rear tyres on both of our bikes had flat tyres, so take up there to fix. It was actually something I wanted to do. Me and Harry were going to pull the bikes apart and fix them ourselves, but met this this old guy yesterday straight across the road from the hammam that we plan on visiting today as well. And he's a bike repair shop, and I thought, you know what, I love to spend a little bit of money in all these little towns. He only
does it for what, 7 dirham?
Well, yeah, he said to us, I said to him, oh, do you fix bike tyres? Yeah, I fix bike tyres. I said, how much? He said 7 dirham each, and I was like, oh my god, that's so cheap. So we've got, well, a little bit of a tip for him. He's fixed both of our bikes. We left them with him yesterday. Said I'd leave them overnight with him, pick them up again in the morning. We'll go back and pick them up now. He said they'll be ready first thing this morning, and we're going to reward him for being so honest, being so straight up with us. I love the honesty of people. Like, if someone gives me a fair price straight off the bat, I really appreciate it. So we're going to sweeten the pot a little bit for him, give him a little bit more than was expected. So that should make his day, and it'll make us happy to share a bit of work around, and it kind of saved us a job, eh, Harry?
Yeah.
Although I was kind of quite looking forward to showing the boys how to fix a bike tyre, but this is a win-win. Share some work around, give the locals some money in the pockets of locals, and yeah, happy days. There's a little coffee shop.
Yeah.
So this little coffee shop here, Pizza Vanilla, hello. We're going to come back in here a little bit later on. We're going to get some coffee.
Yeah.
These guys are actually really nice. We spoke to the owners, or a couple of young guys that were working here last night. So we're going to come back here. Hello, hello. This is our friend.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I was just showing everybody your cafe. Now we're gonna. What's your name?
Mustafa.
Mustafa. That's right. That's right.
Welcome.
That's right.
Welcome to Morocco.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
We're gonna come back and we're gonna have some coffee. We're just gonna go pick up our bikes.
Okay, sir.
See you soon.
Welcome.
Thank you. Oh, that's nice. So we met Mustafa yesterday, and this is his cafe right here. So we're going to come back and get some coffee on the way home, and yeah, have a yarn to him. Oh, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
So this is mine and Harry's little bit of time together this morning. Harry's finished his schoolwork. Harry, what were you working on today?
Cubing and squaring of numbers.
And how did you go with all that?
Finished it.
Nice.
And now I'm on to, what do you call it? Positives and negatives?
Yes.
Like -5 degrees and stuff like that.
Nice. So maths is not something I really enjoyed at school, but
It's not my strong point either.
well, it actually is your strong point, Harry. He's actually a lot better than what he makes out. I've had to sort of reteach myself a few things, but that's
like
all right.
Long division.
Long division was a bit of a struggle for me at first.
My teacher, Miss Roy, from
I did. I had to message Harry's old teacher, Miss Roy, in the Cook Islands, and say, Miss Roy, please give me a little quick update on how to do long division again, because I haven't done it in so many years. So she sent me a quick example through, and it all came back to me. I was like, right, okay, thank you.
And
So
Dad said, his teacher, Mr. Who?
Oh, Mr. Denard, we won't go into that. That's another story. It's a story not for this video. But I'm really impressed. Like, look how far ACILAH has come. Like, if you can see, oh, like, see this footpath here.
This wasn't here last time.
Yeah, so none of this was here last time. It was all sort of under construction and sort of being done. So it's great to see little towns like this really pushing ahead and getting stuff done, because it's a really pretty little town. It's super tidy, super clean, so it's nice to be here. I've actually got this funny feeling we're going to stick around for another day. We're in no major hurry to leave, so I quite like being here. And these apartments and hotels are sort of popping up all over the place, which is great. Maybe it won't be such a quiet town in the next few years, so maybe we should stick around and enjoy it now while it is. Well, Harry, I tell you what, this is one thing I've got to point out. I'm really blown away by, look at all these fruit trees. Look at all these orange trees.
Orange trees, they look yum.
Look at them all, just lining the streets. Look at this. Just riddled with fruit. So it's no wonder people sell a lot of fresh orange juice here.
Yeah. You mean jus d'orange?
Jus d'orange. So we've actually had a little bit of rain this morning in ACILAH. A little bit of rain, so it's cooled things down a little bit. Hence the reason we're wearing a jacket or a shirt. It's nice. Remember, this is their winter. Well, this is going into their winter, which actually ends up being quite nice. Quite a nice temperature, up in the 20s, which is lovely. All right, I know we're close because here is the hammam. So we found the hammam, Harry?
Yep.
So you're going to see a little bit more of this hammam later on, because we're going to come back here, which is the building right up here beside me. But our man is just here. This is his little bike shop. And hopefully, he said if he's not home, he lives right next door. Good morning. Hello, hello. And this is our man's bike shop right here. So our bikes should be right there. Nice. Is that one of our bikes? Yes. No. How are you, my friend?
How are you?
Good to see you.
Thank you very much. And you? Very well.
Good, good. This is a little bike shop. He's just opening his doors for the day. I guess this is bike repairs. Harry's looking forward to riding his bike home.
Yeah. Here's the first one.
Good.
How is it, Dad?
She's looking good.
Awesome. Nice.
Tyres obviously all pumped up now.
And what about the other one?
Here she comes.
It's coming out now.
Pretty excited. Yay, here it is. This is Harry's one.
Yeah.
There she is, look at that.
Awesome.
Very, very good.
Tyres all fixed. Tyres are all fixed, nice and pumped up.
Very, very
Very good.
good.
So let's have a look. So this is a little workshop.
I think this is
Ah.
Yes.
Ah, right.
Yes.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this. So this is there's a little workshop in here. Plenty of bikes. Now what I wanted to ask you was, do you have like this for here?
Oh, we don't need it then.
If you come back for 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah.
So we'll
it come my stone.
okay.
Maybe have.
We'll come back.
Yes.
Oh, maybe we can leave this one here and he can put it on and just take one back.
No, we'll take them both back because I want to take them for a ride. Okay, that's awesome. Mate, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For nothing. Maybe this is yes.
It's the same?
This is tight.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. We're rolling. Daisy me rolling. How's the bike, Harry?
Huh?
How's the bike? Good as new, you just can't quite reach the seat.
No.
Shall we swap bikes?
No.
This might be better.
Is that okay?
Yeah. Seat's lower on this one. Put the stand up, bro. Oh yeah, this is quite tall. All right.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey, hello, man.
Got the bikes going.
All right, dude. How about you?
No. I would never buy such a thing. Whoa, bro.
Wow.
Here we are, guys.
Awesome.
Our 7 dirham bikes are home.
Wow, how was that?
Good.
Oh, well, that's our little bike thing, and we will
See you on the next day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.